Today, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not being able to trade on Steam. If you've ever tried to trade items on Steam and found yourself unable to do so, you're not alone. Many users face this problem, but fortunately, it's usually quite simple to resolve. In this video, you'll learn the steps to ensure your Steam account is ready for trading. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've opened the Steam application on your computer. This is the desktop app, not the web version of Steam. If you don't have it open, just head to your desktop or start menu, find the Steam icon, and double-click to launch it. Once you've got the Steam app open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. There, you'll see the Steam logo. Go ahead and click on that logo to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find a list of options. What you're looking for here is the Settings option. Click on Settings, and this will open up a new window with a variety of tabs for different settings you can adjust on Steam. Now, in the Settings window, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. One of these tabs will be labeled Security. Click on Security to bring up the security settings for your Steam account. Security settings are crucial because they protect your account from unauthorized access, and they also play a key role in enabling trading. Once you're in the Security tab, the next step is to manage your Steam Guard settings. Steam Guard is an additional level of security that protects your account. Look for the option that says Manage Steam Guard and click on it. This will bring up several options related to your Steam Guard settings. Here's the critical part. You need to make sure that Turn Steam Guard Off is disabled. Steam Guard must be enabled for your account to be eligible for trading. If Steam Guard is turned off, you won't be able to trade items, as this is a security measure put in place by Steam. Make sure that the Steam Guard is active, which typically means it should be in either email or mobile authenticator mode. You can choose between these two options based on your preference, but at least one needs to be active. And that's it. By ensuring that Steam Guard is enabled, you should be able to resolve any issues with trading on Steam. If you've followed these steps and are still experiencing problems, it might be worth checking whether your account has any restrictions or bans, as these could also affect your ability to trade. Remember, keeping your Steam Guard enabled not only ensures that you can trade, but also keeps your account secure from unauthorized access. I hope this guide has helped you get your trading up and running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Steam.